Good morning, dear kids. Welcome to Montessori 1 English class. This is your workbook, Wonderland of Alphabets. Open your book page number 103. Write 8 k sound. Write 8 k sound. A apple, b ball, k cat. The door. Egg. Fish. Glass. House. Igloo. Juice. Kite. Makes the same sound. K, J, F, A, L, I. It's your turn, beta. Complete book page number 103. Okay, beta. Allah Hafiz. Take care.